Hello and welcome to the garden. It is a very overcast day today. It has been raining, it has been drizzling, and I'm trying to work in the garden in between all of that activity. And I wanted to show you guys something that I received in the mail from the Dolores and Tony's channel, and I wanted to give you guys an update. So come with me in the garden and let's see what's growing. I hope you guys can see what I have here. I have 3 pots, 2 cloth, and 1 hard plastic that I have planted corn in. Now, this cloth pot in the center was full of corn, just like this cloth pot over here in the corner, but this corn did not all come up. I should plant something in this pot. I might plant some beans in here. I digress. But I have space in this pot for something else to grow. It looks like only 2 came up out of this pot, and it was full, just like you see here. And I'll show you a better picture in just a moment. I've had a little bit of pest damage. I've had some wind damage, but that's all taken care of now. Well, the pest anyway. I can't do anything about the wind. And this pot over here, I have some bok choy that's gone to seed. I need to cut off some of the ones that have already dried. I'll be doing that later on today, and I'll be collecting those seeds. But if you can see through the bok choy, let's move the bok choy over this way. Hopefully I'm not opening up any seed pods. Stay over there, bok choy. Behave. Do you all have those problems? That your plants don't behave the way you want them to? There we go. Now you can see here, now if we move the peanuts out the way, the peanuts are leaning in, y'all. Oh, I've got bok choy back there. I got to cut those seeds down too. But I have some corn. I get distracted, y'all. I'm sorry. I have some corn here in this pot. And you guys can see that it's growing quite well. And all the corn was planted on the same exact day. This bok choy doesn't want to behave, so I'm not going to fool with it anymore. But all the corn was planted on the exact same day, and they're growing at different rates. They get the exact same amount of water. The only difference is those 2 are in cloth bags. I'm sorry about pointing. Those 2 over there to the left of the screen are in cloth bags, and the one over here to the right is in a plastic pot. That's the only thing that's different, as well as maybe the soil medium. The pot had existing soil in it. All I did was refresh it. I did add some refreshed soil to those bags, but all the same chemical makeup as far as what's in it, the fertilizers and things of that nature. So it looks like the pot on the far left, the cloth bag, and the pot on the right are growing at the same rate, and the pot in the middle, or the cloth bag in the middle, is growing at a slower rate. So I just wanted to give you guys a brief look at the corn. This is, and I'm not sure if I said it already, this is a well, what kind of corn is this? See, I just lost my train of thought, you guys. Sorry about that. My neighbor went by. He's jamming his music. This is a sweet corn. I can't think of the name of it now. You guys, I'm so sorry. I just totally blanked out. It's a sweet cream corn. Peaches and cream. There you go. This is a peaches and cream corn that I received from Dolores and Tony's channel, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the growth of it. I did plant it, and so it's looking really good, except for the little bit of pest damage I had and the wind damage, which I can do nothing about. But outside of that, I should have some corn before the fall. Fingers crossed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider liking, comment, and subscribing, becoming a part of the ClausenWorld family. And oh, by the way, I just started an Instagram page. So if you're interested in following me on Instagram, I'll put all that information in the description box below. And as always, happy gardening to you, and have a great day.